Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Docs offline, even without an internet connection. This is super handy if you travel a lot, have patchy Wi-Fi, or just want to be prepared when your internet disappears at the worst moment. So let's get right into it. First, we need to install a special Chrome extension called Google Docs Offline. Open Google Chrome and navigate to this extension page. I have shared the link in the description box below. Once you're there, click Add to Chrome. Then confirm by clicking Add Extension in the pop-up. Once it's installed, it will show up in your Chrome extensions, either directly on your toolbar or inside the puzzle icon. Now that we have installed the extension, let's turn on offline mode inside Google Drive. Head over to drive.google.com and sign in with the Google account you normally use. Click the gear icon in the top right corner and then click on Settings from the drop-down menu. This opens your Google Drive settings panel. Scroll down until you see a section called Offline. Here, you will see this checkbox that says Create, Open, and edit your recent Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides files on this device while offline. Go ahead and check this box. Google will now start preparing your most recent files so they are available even without internet. You might see a message that says setting up offline. That's totally normal. It may take a minute or two depending on how many files you have. By default, Google automatically syncs your recent files for offline access. In most cases, like the files I just created, that's enough. But if you ever want to make older or specific files available offline, here's how to do it manually. Just right-click on the file you want to make offline. Basically, you're telling Google, hey, hold on to this one. My Wi-Fi's got trust issues. In the menu that appears, look for the option that says Make Available Offline and click on it. Once it's done, you will see a checkmark icon next to the file name. That means the file is now ready to use even without internet. You can do this for as many files as you like. Just repeat the same steps. Now let's test it out. I'm going to turn off my internet completely so we can see how Google Docs works offline. As you can see, I'm completely offline. I will open Google Chrome and go to drive.google.com. Let's click on the documents we made available offline. And boom, it opens up like normal. I can scroll, add new content, and even edit. I will just add a quick line here. Testing offline mode. All the changes are saved locally. And once I reconnect to the internet, everything will sync back to the cloud automatically. Let me turn Wi-Fi back on real quick. There, it's now synced with Google Drive. No data lost, no panic, no stress. So that's how you can use Google Docs completely offline. No internet, no problem. If you found it useful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions or suggestions for topics you want me to cover, please drop a comment below. I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.